How do you get a kitten to eat the pills it hates? Let's see how this man does it. First, he puts food under the pot. The moment he opens it, the man grabs the food, and the kitten can only watch as the man eats his food. The second time, the man succeeds in grabbing the food again, leaving the kitten with nothing. The third time, the kitten acts quickly and succeeds. However, what the kitten doesn't know is that he's actually eating the pills the man has replaced. And the kitten doesn't realize he's actually eating the very thing he hates the most. Like and subscribe if you think this man's method is great.